Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we will be unboxing a new gadget that I just bought. I actually made a video when I tried to purchase this just a while ago, but unfortunately some of the clips were corrupted and I was not able to make a video just by purchasing this gadget. So yeah, I will just make a video for unboxing of it. So let's start. This is where I purchased it. That is in Action Telecom, and let's see what's inside. So first I have here a micro SD, which is for 256 gigabyte because I like storing pictures and videos mostly for external memory. I don't actually like storing it on the phone. I also bought a case, and here you go. That is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. There you go. Can you see it? Yeah. So we will start unboxing the phone, but before that, I have here my Samsung Galaxy A7, which is the one that I am replacing. I need to take one of my SIMs inside because this is a dual SIM plus with a micro SD as well. So I will take it. I'll take it out, but the problem is, there you go. Oops. Wrong one. Here. So let's start unboxing the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. So basically, I'm just unboxing this phone just for my, how can I say it? Something for me to look back at on when did I actually purchase this, on when did I start using this phone. So here you go. This is the plastic. For a better picture. There you go. I'll make this video as quick as I can. I am not a techie guy, but definitely I read all the things that I need regarding this phone, so I will not go or dive into details because some of you, I know you are techie, so you know the specs of this phone. So once again, the main purpose of this video is just for me to have a memory on when did I buy it and when did I open it. And I cannot open it. Wait, I'll grab my keys. Okay. I'm trying to tear the plastic but not the box. And of course we have to be careful because this is a little bit pricey. In the market, this is around 3,899 dirhams since I'm located here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. But in Action, I only bought it for 3,749 dirhams. Don't worry guys, I did not pay cash. I will pay it in installments. So yeah, there you go. Let me open now the box. There are three colors for the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. They are black, bronze, or gold, and the white one. And the color that I've chosen is the white one, because I've been a Samsung user for years now, for like more than 5 years I guess, and mostly the phone that I'm getting is black, so I decided to get a white color. And this is my first phone which is white in color. And by the way, this is there you go. How nice is that? By the way, this is my very first Note series phone. The phone that I had before, I forgot the very first colored phone that I have, which is also Samsung, but this is my fourth Samsung phone so far. I had the Samsung Wave, um, the current one that I'm using, which is the Samsung Galaxy A7 2017 model. I bought this in 2017, and year after that they launched the same phone, which is a 2018 edition. So almost 4 years I've been using this phone, so I think it's time now to replace it. So yeah, I'm replacing it to Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. So there you go. There you go, the Samsung 20 Ultra 5G. Oh my God. So inside the box, it comes with, of course, the cable for charging, a wireless headset, a wired headset, and the adapter. So that's what all inside the box. So there you go. Now let me wait a second. Where's the pin for this phone? Anyhow, I will try to look it later, since I borrowed one from my friend. So I will put this SIM card that I'm using right now here in the country where I'm currently at. So let's open. So this is where the SIM slot and the memory card slot. So I'll put my SIM card in. There you go. And of course, since I'm unboxing this phone already, so I'd rather put all the things that is necessary for this phone. So also the 256GB memory card. By the way, this is the 256GB Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G edition, because this is what I can afford, since the 512GB one is a little bit expensive and that is out of my budget. So I only took the 256GB and just purchased an external memory card, which is a 256GB as well. So let's remove it from its package, or whatever you call this one. I'll tear it off. So excited to use this phone. Someone again is trying to sneak in. So there you go. So there you go. It's time to put it back. And it's time now to turn it on. Let's see the magic. Oh my God, there you go. So I'm just sharing with you guys how happy I am unboxing and having this phone. So hopefully while I'm smiling, you're also smiling, because this is how happy I am to have this phone. And by the way, this is where the stylus is. I never used a stylus in my entire life using a phone, but since I really wanted to try a Note phone, so I decided to go for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. my initial plan is actually just to buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but since this is the latest one, and by next year, or maybe this year, they might launch another Note series, but probably it will be by next year. So I decided to go to the you know to the latest one, which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So I will just set up everything and start using the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G white color. I'm so happy. So nice. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. Once again, the purpose of this video is just to unbox my new phone, and that is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Nothing so specific, or nothing specific about informing you what is in the device, because once again, I'm not a techie guy. You can just search it online, and hopefully for those who are planning to buy this phone, don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye.